traders, and welcome. And underneath the Christmas tree this morning, underneath the stocking, was MNPR. I want you to see how we laid this out for everyone in the chat room. Now, a lot of you didn't trade it out there because you're in rooms or you're around people that are scared, don't know how to trade it. That's okay. That's the world we live in. But in here, it's all good. We got that. We got that down. Today, I have to tell you, MNPR was amazing. So today, I told everyone, day 2 of this IPO, this is how it's going to play out. All right? MNPR, I would long at 22. So pre-market was at 20 to 22. I told everyone, start buying the stock. Give it to 20. If the stock breaks 20, cut it off. But I don't think it will. So, matter of fact, I know it will because I'm an AJ trader. When the stock opens, you're going to see 30. When it hits 30, it'll probably halt and you'll see 35. Okay? When it unhalts there, I don't know where it's going to go. So I was assuring the room about a 10 to 12 point trade out of the gate. You want to see how it worked out? Are you ready? Now, this was all done an hour before the market even opened. The stock was trading at 20 to 22. I want you to look carefully how it played out. Ding, 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 ding. Here's your 20 and 22 long, right? Look at your long, right? Pop, halt at 31. Didn't I say would run to 30? I'd halt, pop, 35. Then 43. Boom, you're done for the year. You don't have to trade for the rest of the year. You're finished. Stock went to 48. Now, a couple of people chased the stock up here. They started yanking them. I had to stay with them, handhold them. I liked the stock. I liked how it was basing. I said, don't cut it. Don't cut it. You know I was angry because they were chasing on the third wind. I said, it's okay. I got you. The stock's going to make one more run and you can get the fuck out. And sure as shit, it broke out and hit 48. That's what we did. Okay? That's what we did. One of the best trades today, MNPR. And this was scripted from the get-go. The trade, this was a swing trade from 5 days ago in the chat room. I have been calling for 337 to 340 for the last 5 days since I read the report from 307 long on the subscriptions. And today it finally hit 337. It actually topped at 338. I do think it has 340 in it, but as far as I'm concerned, this was a 5-day move to the upside and it accomplished our goal on Netflix today. I called this out 5 days ago on Monday, 2 days before any analyst came out and upgraded the stock on the information I found. The stock has paid very, very well. Netflix, 307 to 337. 30-point swing trade in 4 days. Next step we did today was Winnebago. This was an amazing trade today. I read the earnings report. Based on the earnings report, I felt the stock would pop and squeeze right at the open. Matter of fact, I kind of made it very clear and emphasized that the stock would squeeze right at the open. So Winnebago, I said this will squeeze right at the open to 52.53. And sure as shit, as you can see, stock went long at $50 a share and it squeezed right at the open to $53.54. Beautiful play on Winnebago. Done live in the chat room. Next stock we did today was Tesla. Tesla was gapping up quite a bit today because of Boeing's not too good showing in NASA today on the rocket launch. So Tesla made a move all the way up to 410. I told everyone the stock's going to pop a couple more dollars, scaling short at 412. Take the stock down to 405 and under, bottom curl and go long. Gianni called the long really nice, I believe at 402 or 401. In the chat room, the stock ran to 407. But the main objective was to short the stock from 412 right there down to 400 for a nice 12-point move. And if you look, it was all written down. It's scripted in pre-market what to do. Start shorting at 410, move to 412. Stock will shred down to 405 and under, and ended up going down to 400 for a 12-point move. The next stock we did today was a stock called FFIV. FFIV bought security shape for $1 billion in cash. I did feel like the stock had gapped down quite a bit, down almost $10 a share this morning. I didn't think shorts would cover, probably take it back up to 137, and then kind of just grind out. The reason is uh, they have to dilute the stock so they can raise the billion because they're paying cash for the company. So I also prepared traders. There might be a short-term sell-off to 129. That if it did come down there, because it was already at the 133 level, I wanted everyone to add into those positions. I did think the stock was going to bounce back to 137. As you can see clearly, the stock has rebounded to 137. It's pretty much stayed there pretty much most of the day. FFIV usually trades them in the 140 to 144 range, but again, they're liquefying the stock, some of it, to be able to cash out and buy the company. For us as traders, as day traders, we just took advantage of the dip and bought the long. Had a double bottom clear here at 132.50 and just wrapped right back up to 137. You were done in 8 minutes of work. The next stock we're doing right now was SCHL, pure winner in the chat room. SCHL was a earnings beat, but in reality, if you read through the report, in my opinion, it was not an earnings beat. I thought it was more of an earnings disappointment. So I called a short at $45 a share. I told everybody the stock was worth 40. It should come down. Pre-market notes said to start scaling it at 45 at the top and then take it down to 40 and hit $40.68. Okay. Next stock we did was HCAT, HCAT. This was a beautiful setup for everyone. Congratulations to Palmer, one of our great moderators in the room. He took this call today. Raymond James, a tier 2 analyst, came out with an amazing price target today of $46 price. I told everyone wait for the pullback to $31, scale in long, take it up to 30. I said start buying 35 calls on it, and the stock almost hit 34, and I think we'll probably see 35, 36 on Monday. Great trade. If you took 500 shares, probably made $1,200 on this trade, and he was done in probably about 15, 20 minutes of work. So really good call, and I'm glad that he didn't gap it up too big, so it allowed us to get in there and take advantage of it and just go long the stock. And 31 was the target to go long, as you can see in the notes. HCAT right here, $31 a share. And last but not least, before I tag out of here, was RAD. The great dark side and I myself, we both felt that the stock had a run to 15 after yesterday's run. Yesterday had earnings. It nicely held above the $12 range. Today, I have my eye on it. I didn't have time to put it on my list, but I had it on screen. As soon as I saw it to move at the open, I told everyone it's going to 14, then to 15. Walked it up. It was a nice trade, and I traded this myself. Did very well in the trade. I played with big size, very liquid stock. But I felt in the chat room today, I kind of told everyone I think 15 is the topping. If you look, it pretty much topped right there at 15. And I said you can't expect anything more than that for today. 3-day move. Because if you look, it did a $3 move yesterday and then another $3 move today. There's only so much a stock can go before it gets tired out on something like this. But I felt RAD would go to 15 today. And I was really proud of it. This was more of an open trade in the room. I wanted to watch it get developed, and then I started telling traders go long with stock. Other than that, we traded X short. I mean, we got a price target of 10 over the next few days. They cut their dividend and everything else. The one trade that did not work today was Air. Just my gut told me it would probably run. My mind was telling me it shouldn't run. And so it was, just messed up on, I should have just said, let it pop at the open at 53 because it's stupid. It should have been gapping up, and that should have gave me the sign. So the next time when I start to see this, and they're stupid like that, I'll kind of give it a little bit more room before we go in there and short it. I don't see why Air is up to begin with unless there's something done in the conference call, but the report doesn't justify why it's up at all. Not at all. But Winnebago and CarMax was okay. Kind of grinded most of the day at the 92 range. but Camp did everything we want. Oh, and we did a small cap short float right here. TCLN. This is typically glorified in your small cap rooms. They call a short, and they'll trade it 7,000 times, clicking, 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 clicking. For us, it was just a short from 350 to 250. It was not a big deal, but I do like to. I have a lot of short sellers in the room that have small cap money. They love to play this with size. It was very simple for me to do. Start scaling it short 350 and just take it down. Based off the news, it would hit 250 and the stock hit 225. I mean, this is just a no-brainer. And we do these every day in this room. And that is today's wrap-up for this beautiful Friday afternoon. It was a wonderful day to trade today. Next week's going to be a lot of fun. We'll have some short days in there, but we'll make our money quick. And I just had a blast today. I can't express it enough how much fun I had today. Being around everyone in the room today. It was a lot of energy, a lot of fun. And just, I love it. I look forward to trading with you Monday. If you want to be part of our great room, all right, just click here, boom, go to the site, and just go scroll down, and you will find our services. One day is 25, 1 week is 100. You upgrade to a month, we give you that money back, or you just go in for the month, $6.75 a day to be in here. With an opportunity to make thousands of dollars. That's what we're about. Take care. God bless. Have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe. I'm going to get drunk with my Cesar, and I'm just going to get fucked up. I'm going to be crawling out of the Polo Lounge in Beverly Hills tonight at 11 o'clock. Okay? So you take care. God bless the world. Take care. Bye-bye. I'll see you tomorrow. See you Monday.